Hello guys, if you want to take the scrolling screenshot of a full page, you can use this extension scrolling screenshot and full page capture in Google Chrome. So many a times you do need to take a screenshot of the whole website. And this Google Chrome extension, I'm using it for past 2 weeks and it's a very good extension. So simply copy the name scrolling screenshot and full page capture. So this will appear right here and simply add to Chrome. This extension will get added and you can go to any website. This is totally free. So once it is installed, you can actually activate this. So once you click on that, the icon will appear something like this. And now if you go to any website here, let's suppose I go to freemediatools.com and let's suppose I want to take the whole screenshot of this website. So I simply click on that. So there are three options. Either you can scrolling screenshot, visible tab, or select area. You can even select a particular area to take the screenshot like this using your mouse. So now as you see that screenshot has been taken. So right here the screenshot is ready. You can even edit as well with this tool. You can see that we have the text tool as well. You can add some text and then we have the option to download, export everything. You can download this as an image, PDF as well. So all these options are there. It's a free extension. You don't need to create any account or subscribe to anything. So it's very useful extension. And now if you want to scrolling screenshot, what it will do, it will take the whole screenshot of the website. So you can see that. So taken the full screenshot of the website. Similarly, visible tab. So in this easy way, you can take the screenshot and then you can easily download this inside your machine. So this is the actual Google Chrome extension, guys. Definitely check this out to take the screenshots of a particular website and export this to image or PDF.